1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rock swing.
Roll it. Sing clap. Ow.
If you start a count
5, 4.
and then stop at like 4 or something. Come on, this way. And if you're unfamiliar with how this... Oh no! You broke your sign.
Oh no.
No! So we needed a stable of vehicles with a very... Bring it on! But today we have made... Looks fast, is fast. Okay, I'll start when you start moving. The Porsche... Blah, blah, blah. The Porsche 718 Cayman GT4. This is all a... Sorry. Club Sport. The biggest wind farm in Europe. Pole position on the national grid! Oh, they really are running away. Come back! So I'll pick up off the back. Looks fast, is fast. Clap, clap.
Ready to go.
Give it about 5 seconds after I start talking. It's very important to find a way to break the ice. Ah! 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 Race. No. Just give me a wave when you think I can start talking. As you see me start to move.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Ah! I was going to hit the camera then.
3, 2.
Just constant, instant power. You're getting in the light there, sorry. The Polaris. Sorry. Ah, come on, Neil. Be patient. Do it again because of the noise. My face is frozen. I've really annoying because my face is frozen. No!
Okay, come on.
So we're in the middle of nowhere. I won't be able to see you. We're in the far north. Sorry. Okay, one more. Jesus. Whoa. He's a keeper. So if you jumped in with me,
yeah,
then the transition is like hitting the water.
Let's do that then.
Are you ready?
That was the best one for me.